Are you happy for that? What you doing?
Now we taking some money off y'all charge. You don't know what?
I know who Amy Rose is.
Who is that?
The girl from Spider-Man. Who is Amy Rose?
Now he need to quit.
I'm gonna probably get in trouble.
Because the sun is gonna
Ain't none of that.
It ain't lime, it's small.
Hey, listen. You not from us, get in the game and run the ball. Alright? You probably run the game. So don't come out.
yeah, cause they ain't asking for none.
Sit down, know the job, do the job. You probably gonna get to run the ball. Alright? Understand? Get off the block, defense. Run through him.
Elisha.
Michael, don't do this. Run through him. Let's go, everybody.
Dalton. Over here.
What, we down? Somebody injured?
Let's go, get up.
Elisha, is that your Gatorade? Please put it in. What you want to water? Some water in there. Oh, you in the snack. I don't know whether Elisha.
In the car.
Let's go, TJ! Samir, let's go! Let's go, let's go!
For 2 seconds.
Get him.
I'm gonna get you. Don't go here.
Michael.
I told you I repeated on Mama last night to this day.
That you heard that?
What?
Dalton said it wasn't a flop.
Yeah.
I thought he said F word.
Hey, me too. And did. Listen, Jameer don't listen.
Samir?
Don't listen, can't read.
What's that tight end?
You know, one of the plays don't work. I don't know how to read them.
Right now, get it!
Get
What's it?
Boy, that was his
What are you
ball.
doing? That would have been your ball. Let's go. Do it again. Good job. Good job. Good job. Let's go.
Nico. He ain't gonna hurt
Nah,
me.
he could have ran down on the ball.
Hey,
He get the next one. To be lazy.
nobody got that.
He's not
Yeah,
lazy. He just scared. Sometimes he get him and sometimes he don't. All right, coach, you right in the
Throwing
way.
that ball like that.
Because he got to have it on 4th down.
Don't get back down. Stay. Go. Stay. Get back on the ball. Stay. Come here. Don't touch the ball.
Offense.
Come and get away from the ball.
Yeah.
We told him we just went over.
We told him he ran back there anyway.
Offense. Let's go. Stop defense. Hey, we don't even want you to go back there to get the ball.
Don't know. Don't listen. Don't pay
Put you back
attention.
there if you want to be back there. What if you touch that ball, then he was grabbed? Then what you do? Because you back there, John. Nobody touches the ball.
Hush it, Lash. It's other season now. It's regular season. Okay, whatever.
They just tried to tell him over there what they supposed to be doing. And then they missed a step and didn't move. And coach, you can coach the kid who's coachable. They not coachable.
You gonna see that one of us push the teammate, face him, face mask, push him right in the face.
They start the hole or do anything, put your hands up.
You gotta turn it up. You don't like it?
He took the ball.
I told him that they ain't no way when they're coach is gonna take him out. He ain't gonna take him out. Who got sunflower seeds?
Get off the field. Legend. You must be on the field.
He back there getting
Watch that tight end.
Hold him!
Yeah, right there.
He ain't throw no flags.
Dominic. Hey, Willie, what you doing?
Willie, where's the clock?
Hey, CJ, put Legend back in the same spot. CJ, put Legend in the same spot.
He talking about put Legend in the same spot. Why Legend don't know where to go?
He put his hands up and he didn't even do it.
You gotta go outside, right? You gotta go outside. You standing up ain't doing nothing.
He stood straight up and watched. He didn't do nothing.
You going down there, Alexa? No, I was going to tell you to take the camera.
I can't hold it good.
It's okay. There's another one in there. Kaylin got one. I got one. Can I have a blue one? Oh, do you want blue?
Do you want the green crusher?
Yeah.
Oh, the green casher.
What color you get? Ice.
I see.
So we got the same water for Michael.
He done had one. Now he'll have a. It should be one more in there.
You want a Gatorade?
He can have water if he wanted.
You want to get out?
Oh, sh!
The pink smashing. Okay.
I think the blue hammer.
Okay, the blue pepper. Come on here, let's get you up. Hand close it.
Why is the black one?
Is it another blue in there?
It's so
No.
black.
Get it. Get the black one. Did you make the names?
And did.
That's the yellow what? What we gonna call it?
Greenberg.
We gonna call it the yellow ding-dong.
Oh, yeah. Look at the name of the building.
Oh, you got the G.
What is this called? It's called the Geo Smasher. The Geo Smasher. Oh my God! It called Geo the Bee. This is a Geo Smasher. What's this thing called?
The Glacier Freeze.
The Glacier Freeze. So, Fasting Dog. What is that again? The Pink Smasher. The Glacier Freeze. So that's the green. That's the green. That's the Blue Smasher.
The Blue Glacier.
The Blue Glacier. And that's the Pink Smasher. Come on, quarterback, get him!
right, let's hold them, boys. I could tell you.
Give me the phone.
Oh yeah, because she's gonna show you how to go to it, so you don't go to it.
Okay, you got
Press the G.
not the Google.
Yeah, Google. Press the G. That's why he said the Gatorade was the green ding dong because it got the G. Now show it to Tiffany. Go show it to Tiffany.
Hold on 1 second.
Hold on.
Ding dong! Ding dong! So I show you. There's ding dong.
That's the wrong ding dong.
I said ding.
Okay, press it again and say old ding dong.
Oh, ding dong. It looks like that. That's the old ding dong.
Aggressive look.
Let me see
It's
if you can
okay.
find it. Oh, it was okay ding dong. Say okay ding dong.
Okay, ding dong. Okay, ding dong.
There it is.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Oh!
That's ding dong.
She
So
said
we
that was
don't
the
watch.
first last night.
No, we don't watch it.
No, it's a
Okay.
no, we not. It's okay. But last night we was scared.
Is that SONIC? SONIC? That ain't what that is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Just a different color.
Yeah, I'm like they done just started. Oh, you said you can watch it during the week. You can watch it at night.
So the monster don't like night. But when the monster get out of the
How about somebody back there touch down back?
How to get what?
The wagon. No, Lodge was back there.
I don't know.
Let's watch it. Let's watch
They only got one game out there.
Let's watch. Wait, let's watch it.
We're gonna watch it when we get to the house.
Oh, they only do one game.
After we come. Hey, don't say oh my god. Say oh my gosh.
So we got the time wrong. So we want to listen to it.
That should be the green thing dog because Sonic is blue.
Yeah, that's cool. And the pink one's called
Wait, where are we going?
Auntie Amy, Ryan. Sit in the cooler, in the wagon. I told Ryan to kill it. Ryan said, Is it a spider?
It's a beagle.
Oh, well, I don't teach you don't want to see it.
Dalton, throw it.
Dalton, come here. Come on, Dalton. Thank you.
Drop it, Dalton, right there.
Hey, hold on. I love it. I love it. Keep it up.
Go pick that cup up now. Go get it.
Get it right.
Snap it.
Go. Run it. Thank you! Thank you! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Go! Yes, sir, baby! Hey, good boy! That's what I'm talking about. Everything is good. Good job. Get back there. Ain't never crash over here. Water.
So he got through because of Michael Blanc? You see him?
Hey, get water.
You better look, talk to him like that again. That's because you're going 100%. You got to feel like that every time. No, you tougher than him. Go hit somebody else. That's what you're supposed to do.
Hey, y'all switch mic out with somebody? Yeah, Dominic. Okay. Let's go.
Go Runner!
Dominic! 523! Tighten it out!
Now he ain't calling that no game. He ain't calling that no game. Oh, that's bull.
Let go.
Man, he let go.
You ain't calling that no game. You ain't calling that no game. Now you want to call something.
Here, get more water. Going in the next play.
If you tired, just say that.
Every game, you ain't fair to why you keep hugging the man, bro?
Tie your shoe. Tie your cleat, Michael.
Strong boy, come on, get back out there. We all the way up here because of your block. We need another one. You tough?
Hey, when they call your play,
Okay.
you have to know what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to run the ball. You didn't know that?
You ready?
You don't know what you're doing? Ooh! Face mask. Cowboy collar. Man, we got face mask over here.
He ain't called nobody
Who was
all
it?
game.
Who was it?
They done set the boys a cash app at halftime.
Yeah, they did. Oh, dog. Hey, run it. They getting tired. Run it. They getting tired.
He trash. Because it was holding back here. And he said, you ain't going to call it. And Whitehead talking about, they ain't say nothing, so I ain't going to call it. Now you calling stuff. Okay. They was holding us. And, so, and one of the coaches complained, said, you ain't going to say nothing to my they ain't calling, so I ain't saying nothing.
Let's go, McBride. Turn it up.
Yeah.
Run them over.
Touchdown. You want extra point?
What, third quarter?
You want extra point, Michael?
That means it's not a tie no more. It's a win. Wait, guys, we're so close to 50.
He blocked him that time.
He wasn't out there. That was ball.
Oh, 17? Hey, he took him 20 yards down the
That's
field.
what you're supposed to do.
Hey, make your block, man. Get in there.
All right, y'all stay out. Defense, hold them.
Help
Help him up, help him up, help him up.
A lot of injuries. The dog fight out there. Them boys playing. What's the dog?
There's two right.
Michael, need your pick up. Get some water. Yeah, take off your helmet. Take it off. Hey, somebody put some helmet water down there. I got you.
Here, it's some ice right here. Here, come here, Pooh.
Need the ball.
Get up, get up.
Now get that ball back. Get the ball back.
Hold on. Sit down for a second.
That's what he's been trying to do.
Wait. Listen.
You gotta play some more kickoff. No, man. I need you. Go back in, right?
That's my baby. How you want to put the fan on it? Thank you.
He did just tell him
Like he's done.
He said something.
They ain't call ours. They ain't call the flag on us. Take it down a notch.
Hey, coach, you ready? You ready? You ready?
You see that he gave him a sideline warning? Yeah. Let's go, Micah.
Right there.
Thank you.
Where the cheese at? Yeah, I need the cheese.
Bad Nixie's.
Hey, Jason, come back. Lexi, come here. Come here, Lexi. Bring that water, Lexi.
It's that word. Your butt. Don't say out loud. You know what the word? You know the word you just said last night?
Eli, get on.
What word?
Watch the ball. Hey, defense. Come here. Y'all watch the ball. Big stop right here. Right there, Jason.
We got to hold them. They can't get a first down.
Right there. What's the first down? Watch the receivers.
They can't get a first down.
Right there, boys. Come on.
Come on, get him, get him, get him. Look at his arms and legs. His legs is so skinny. Then look at Marcus.
Back up. There you go. Run it. Oh, run it. Tighten it up, boys. Tighten it up. There you go. Pro kill. There you go. There you go.
I bet he won't do that no more.
Wow, I was guys.
Bar, you still out there, baby? Bar, you still out there, baby? Hey, you got 40 seconds left. 40 seconds. Hey! No holding. You got 40 seconds. Let's make it work. Let's go!
12-6.
There you go. Push it, push it forward.
But it's good. I'm gonna get under this tent.
I know they gotta do take a knee now. It ain't but 35 seconds. Third quarter.
You out here all day?
Yeah, I would, man.
They pay you double?
Don't worry about telling them, you just do it. Huh? I'm talking about them, my team.
Don't you get put out with 12 seconds left. Yeah.
Hey, 12 you captain. 12 you captain. 12 you captain.
Oh, that thing,
The shirt from Los Angeles.
Yeah. Mom, you know that the silver girl you want Scott. What do we want?
Yeah.
Yeah, they finna do the same.
Hey, you want these $50 now or later? You want these $50 now or later?
There ain't enough, man. I need protection at all. Hey, go to the 50-yard line. Who's speaking? Hey, who's speaking? You get on the inside. Put Jesus out the sky for me. I can shift out.
you need a little Jesus. Baby, you 22, ain't you? Ooh, number 11. And how old he supposed to be? How old are you? 12? What you eat? You eat your broccoli, don't you?
No.
We got it.